Is that your purse? Yes? That's your purse? You're going to go shopping with your purse? Where's your purse? Where is it? What? Hey, you. Where's your purse? Where is it? Come on. Come get your purse. Olivia? Where's your purse? That's your pony? Yeah. Pony's pretty, isn't he? Here, let Mommy fix your purse for you. Here. Oh, is this the pony? Do you want me to fix your purse? No? Oh, careful. Careful, you almost fell. Okay, you don't have to hit it if you don't want it. How much money do you have in your purse? It doesn't go there, silly. It's inside out. It's okay. What are you doing? You figured it that you could open that. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that, please. Riley. Where's your purse? No, I don't want you in the kitchen. Come on out, please. Back up. Not a girl. Back up. Mommy. Here's your purse. I put it inside the right way. Here. Here's your purse. Here. Come get it. Take your purse and your dolly and go shopping. No?
Back at M7, Karen Grant and Tori have built a robot to hunt with the power of martial arts expert John Fitch. Now it's time to test the Kill Bill bit. Can you really punch your way out of a flying ball? The team lays the Robo-Fist to rest. Is that it, you okay? That's gonna hurt. Nails down the lid. And they're ready for a...
Oh, did you hear something outside? Yeah? I think it was a dog next door. Did you hear a dog? I hear a dog. Okay, your supper's almost ready. You're going to have chicken quesadilla. Yummy. Uh-oh. Oh, did you bump your head? Come here, I'll kiss you better. What was that little toot noise I heard? Okay, gotta check.